If you use your calendar to schedule meetings with other faculty members and staff, it can be helpful to have Zoom as an option here. If you're not seeing Zoom on here, it's because you don't have the Zoom for GSuite add-on. You can add that on by clicking Click Get Add-ons, which launches you into the Zoom Marketplace. And you're looking for Zoom for GSuite. You can click on this, and you can install it. Follow the prompts. And confirm what Zoom is allowed to do. Once installed your add-on, when you go to create a calendar event and you click on the open here, you'll see Zoom meeting as an option here. And you can also change some of the details as well. So if you want to use your personal meeting ID, if you want to put a passcode on your Zoom meetings, you can change those as well. You manage these settings by logging into the Zoom web portal at niagara-edu.zoom.us, signing in with your Purple Pass credentials, clicking on Settings from the left-hand menu, and then scrolling down to Meeting Scheduling. You would want to toggle on Use Personal Meeting ID when scheduling a meeting.